Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's English learning class. In this lesson, we are going to learn 20 powerful vocabulary words that will help you improve your spoken and written English. I will explain each word with meaning and example sentences so that you can easily use them in your daily life. Let's begin. The first word is meticulous. Meticulous means showing great attention to detail, being very careful and precise. For example, she is very meticulous about her homework, checking every answer twice. The second word is resilient. Resilient means able to recover quickly from difficulties. For example, despite many failures, he remained resilient and kept trying. The third word is serene. Serene means calm, peaceful, and untroubled. For example, the mountain view was so serene that it felt like meditation. The fourth word is elated. Elated means extremely happy or joyful. For example, she was elated when she got her dream job. The fifth word is candid. Candid means truthful, straightforward, or honest. For example, I appreciate your candid feedback on my project. The sixth word is benevolent. Benevolent means kind, generous, and well-meaning. For example, the benevolent teacher always helped her students with patience. The seventh word is versatile. Versatile means able to do many different things or adapt easily. For example, she is a versatile singer who can sing in many languages. The eighth word is frugal. Frugal means being careful with money and resources, not wasteful. For example, he is very frugal and always saves money for the future. The ninth word is ambiguous. Ambiguous means unclear, having more than one meaning. For example, his answer was ambiguous, and I couldn't understand what he really meant. The 10th word is pragmatic. Pragmatic means dealing with problems in a realistic and practical way. For example, we need a pragmatic solution, not just big promises. The 11th word is empathy. Empathy means the ability to understand and share the feelings of others. For example, she showed empathy by listening carefully to her friend's problems. The 12th word is inevitable. Inevitable means certain to happen, unavoidable. For example, it was inevitable that technology would change our daily lives. The 13th word is adversity. Adversity means hardship or difficult situations. For example, he succeeded despite facing many adversities in his life. The 14th word is gratitude. Gratitude means thankfulness or appreciation. For example, she expressed gratitude for the help she received. The 15th word is tedious. Tedious means boring, too long, or tiresome. For example, filling out these forms is such a tedious task. The 16th word is intricate. Intricate means very detailed and complicated. For example, the artist created an intricate design on the wall. The 17th word is diligent. Diligent means hardworking and showing steady effort. For example, a diligent student always completes his assignments on time. The 18th word is optimistic. Optimistic means hopeful and confident about the future. For example, even in tough times, she remained optimistic. The 19th word is skeptical. Skeptical means doubting or questioning something. For example, he was skeptical about the advertisement's big claims. And the 20th word is tranquil. Tranquil means free from disturbance, calm, or peaceful. For example, the garden was so tranquil that I forgot all my worries. So these were 20 useful vocabulary words. Let us quickly revise them. Meticulous, resilient, serene, elated, candid, benevolent, versatile, frugal, ambiguous, pragmatic, empathy, inevitable, adversity, gratitude, tedious, intricate, diligent, optimistic, skeptical, and tranquil. Remember, to improve your English, you must not only learn new words, but also use them in your daily conversations and writing. I suggest you pick 5 words from today's lesson and try to use them in your speaking today. Thank you for joining this session. Keep practicing, stay motivated, and I will see you in the next English learning lesson.